Yes, hello my friends on the internet. In today's video, I just want to take you through how you can connect your domain from Namecheap to Vercel. And as you can see, I'm on my Vercel right now, and I have a number of repositories. But in this video, I just want to show you one of them. So Sally Media Yugi is one of my clients. Um, I built for her and like a photography website, and it was on Vercel, as you can see. So right now I'm going to just be adding the domain for it from Namecheap to your Vercel. So I want to quickly show you how you can do that in this video. And when we go to the repository, you can just come here on domains, okay? And we're going to just search here. So we shall just search. So first of all, you can see we have just bought this. It's here on salimediayugi.com, and it's what we search here on Vercel. So let us just search for that. Okay, salimediayugi.com. And once you add this domain, of course, when you have not bought this on Vercel, it will not be there. And we are adding a third party. So they recommend this, and we shall just save. Okay. So of course, when you have just saved, they'll show you something like this. And here we shall just come and add these DNS records from we are going to add these in our Namecheap, and let us just go. So when you come to this domain, you can just come here. Okay, this is it. You can just come to manage, and so this is like the detailed page, and we can just come here to advanced DNS. So this is where we are going to just come and start adding things from Vercel. So we shall start with this add new record, and we had here like it was type A, and this is the value. Of course, this is the host. So I'll just come and choose this host here, and I'll add this value. Okay, so I'll add this. Okay, let me save this. So we are going to just come and get another one. So we can just close out this, and we have also this one. So this is the type is cname, and the host is www. The value is this one. So this one is done. We can just add a new one. We saw that the value was this one. This one was www, and the value was this. So we can just save. Okay, so I think that is done. And once we are done with that, we can refresh. Sometimes they are done like automatically, but when you don't want to take a lot of time, you can just refresh them by yourself. I think we are done. Sometimes this takes like a lot of time, and sometimes it doesn't take any time. Once you've just done this, you can just go and check out salimediayugi.com or www.salimediayugi.com, and you're live. Okay, so I'm not going to take much time from this. I'll just do what I'll just want to end here, but I just want to first check whether it's there, then we can just be ending this video. Okay, to end here, and as this is finishing up, we can just be checking out meanwhile, and you can see we are having salimediayugi.com. which is this exact one, salimedia yugi.vercel.app, and it's here on salimedia yugi.com.